Here's the paint we're using. I love the Rust-Oleum products. They've never failed me. This black one here is the semi-gloss. Figured we didn't want to go flat, but we didn't need to go shiny because it's going to get dirty anyway. And then this is just a flat red primer, they call it. They didn't have gray, so this is what I got. These are the professional line, and they're just great because you can get a bigger can. It's probably a slightly better value. Dries super fast. Recoat within 1 hour or almost immediately. They're a whole lot thicker than the Krylon brand, which I always have trouble with. I love to use this stuff for cleaning parts that are going to be painted. You can get it at the PPG paint store. It's just called JX101. Generally it's wax and grease remover. So it won't remove paint unless the paint's not cured yet. It'll remove wet paint, but it cleans painted surfaces, cleans bare metal surfaces really well. Evaporates. It doesn't evaporate fast like acetone. It takes a minute or two to flash off. That's good stuff. These seat brackets are primed, and this one's painted. Okay, here's one coat of the black. Semi-gloss when it dries. Probably do a second coat and then leave them to hang for a while. Second coat's done. Just leave these here to hang in the Houston heat and humidity. So I noticed that some of these had some primer showing through, so I went back and touched them up a little more. You can't see it here, but I cut out circles of tape to go over the washer areas. Because on the first joint I had assembled, I noticed that the paint had kind of all come off on the moving surfaces. So I figured just don't paint these. So you can kind of see the odd shaped tape on this one. The pepper plants are coming along well. The ghost peppers are ripening quickly. There's tons of green ones. The habaneros are good. I actually ate one the other day. They're real tasty, pretty hot. Not habaneros, serranos. These are the serranos. The habaneros, there's a lot of them in here, but they're not ready. There's a couple back there. The Tabascos, they're getting close, but they're not ready. Probably be a couple more weeks. The jalapenos are looking good. Nice and red. Tons of green ones. The sweet banana peppers, I've never had one go this far without going bad on me, so I don't know if it's going to turn red or orange or what, but it should be super good. They're tasty anyway, once they're yellow. And the poblanos, oh look, this one's going south on me. That stinks, we'll have to delete that one.